Hello y'all, it's your girl Sha, and thanks for coming back to my video. Now let me stop. Now what's up y'all? How y'all doing? I'm back with another Temu haul, and believe it or not, it's like Temu has me in a little chokehold. So what's going on? Like, what's a going? Okay, all right, represent all my Jamaicans out there. Okay, everybody that's tuning in, I like to say thank you and welcome. Okay, let's already cut down to the chase. Okay, so we already have the big package here. So they packing them up like saying it's packed up nice. All right, we're gonna go. So what this is here, it came in this kind of bag, and actually, I did not read it correctly because when I bought it, I thought it is to go on, this right here goes on your charger. So if you have a high speed charger, this goes on the base of it. As you can see, that comes out, and this goes on the cord. I ain't even gonna get into the description of what I thought it was, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and chuck this on over here. This time we're gonna do it this way. Ooh, I've been waiting on this because as y'all can see, I'm just using my phone, and my daughter, she's a real content creator. I'm the play one. Okay, this right here is a lavender wireless microphone. I'm really interested. So y'all, if you're gonna become a content creator, or you're doing vlogs, or whatever you're doing, this is what you need. So yeah, I'm excited. It came wrapped real nice. Like, Temu, y'all starting to, and prices going up too, as we all can see. All right, so as we open the box here, boxing is nice. Ooh, okay, look what we have going on here. This is nice. It even came with a little fuzzy. Okay, and then it comes with a, ooh, this is nice. This is real nice. So you'll be able to, I got her iPhone. I asked her which one did she want. This is the one that she wanted. This is the charger base. I know that for sure because there's the chart, yeah, on the side right there. All right, and then these little charging cords. And fun fact is, you want to use the one mainly that comes with it, because what I found out is you can overcharge your item by putting the wrong charger on, like a high speed or something. Yeah, it'll burn it out. It's too much power. It's just better to use the one that comes with it. Yeah, and there's the charger right there. So it looks as if both have a charging port. So this is nice. Like, Temu stepping their little game up. Okay. All right. And if you want to know, this is the wireless lavender microphone. So yeah, she's gonna be excited about this. So okay, all right, we're gonna just put this on the side, and then I'll put that up. Y'all never mind me, you know I be all over the place. All right, so okay, I pulled out two, and this is some makeup sticks. Okay, what's going on with the packaging? Man, they must have. Okay, but we ain't gonna go there. Okay, so all right, I had to get these, y'all, because, all right, we see there we have, it should be 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, and they have, like, almost all types. That's the real skinny one. Like, oh, yeah, this will do the makeup. This has, so you can imagine 15 different settings. So this is nice. A lot of skinny ones. Yeah, the eyeshadow one, the blush, eye makeup. Oh, this is nice. So yeah, besides that other part, I'm excited. This one's nice. This one's real nice. Hey, y'all know how I do. Well, how I'm starting off to do. All right, so this right here, y'all know me. Y'all know how I'm funny with these nails. Now, these were, they're starting to go up on the price. When I first started out, they were really low. I just want to check the quality and show y'all the quality. Okay, so y'all know I had these on the last video. Still okay. Apple's still bobbing. And I wanted to see if I would have paid a lot more for them. Now, I believe these were like $4. So this is what's going on with those. And they have the stones on them. And they're just like the ones that I'm wearing with the cat eye. Y'all know how. But they have a lot of stones. These are good. Okay. So they came in a bag like this. And see how different companies. Yeah, if y'all check my last video, you know how that is. Let me check the bag just to see, because y'all know what else is supposed to go inside of it. Say it with me now. No, stop. No, y'all know it's going to be a comedy show over here. Okay, so the stickies and the foul. So that's good. That's good. No stick. Okay, no cuticle pushback. I don't know why they don't put that in there, because the cuticle pushback is important to me, because you got to push the cuticles back on certain nails. So that's just being reasonable. Oh, this is the one I was waiting on. This is the one I've been waiting on, because I told y'all I'm trying to take this series. So y'all make sure y'all like, y'all comment, and subscribe, y'all, because little do you know, with you watching this video, it is a lot of work with this. Like, I never would have thought. Oh, it's banged up though, so that means I can't use the box. So it's banged up to the point of that, but neither here nor there, long as it works, y'all. This is another microphone. These are pretty costly. I got this one because it was on sale for me. I guess because I've been buying so much, so we're just gonna break it open because it's already broke. Ooh, and dropping stuff per usual. Y'all know it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't drop something. All right. Ooh, so this is another lavender set, okay? Except this is for a C charger. So what comes in that is, that's the charger. And then that's the other base for the charger. What I did get was a two-way. It was supposed to be a two-way. There's the charging station. And that's where it goes inside of your unit. And this is, ooh, this is the one I wanted, y'all. Okay, I hope it still has the fur on it. Now, y'all, it looks like it has the microphone piece right here. We're gonna go ahead and power this one. Be powered on, but normally their stuff is charged, and yes, it is. There's a light blinking. Okay. All right, so I do need to read the instructions, and what I mean by a two-way, I got the one with the two. Normally you pay roughly around $20 for this, and it has the clip. So you can, just like the other one, y'all will see me on my videos from now on. Boom. Okay. Oh, there goes the little fluffy. They put theirs in a bag. Okay, and just like hers, I have the gray one. Oh, I have two. Y'all know I had to check in the directions. Pretty thick book. It's pretty lengthy, so I like that. Y'all know it's gonna, when it comes to them, they're gonna put, okay, and this looks like these are attachments that go across the mic, maybe to hold the fluffy in. Because when you put the fluffy on to keep the wind, like say for instance you outside or the wind is up, or you got, you want that sound to be crystal clear. So I know not to lose these, but yeah, you get two fluffies and two of those. You get two of everything except for the charger. Not a bad deal. Y'all don't forget, when you shop on Temu, don't forget to at least try to shop on there. It was on me the whole time. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Oh, so it looks like it has a headphone. So maybe you can listen to whatever you're recording in your ear. Hey, that's not bad, y'all. That's not bad. So it is an ear plate, and then there's a what's up though? I'm gonna go ahead, and it looks like it has, yeah, volume up, volume down. So on the power area, I'm all over the place. Y'all forgive me. Y'all know I'm gonna read the box at least for y'all. Plug and play. 30 meters of accessible reception. So that's 30 meters. They always do everything in meters, I noticed. 1 hour of charging time. And battery timing 12 to 14 hours. That's pretty lengthy. You could do your live shows, interviews, and vlog short videos. Okay, so it's already telling you vlog short videos. So, you know. Hey, baby. There's Mia. How are you? Next thing we have here, I wanted to try this out. I already know what this is, but I'm going to show it for y'all. Because I thought I ordered a bigger one, but whoa. Okay. So, for y'all, see how that glare, I really want a big one, so I'm going to have to order a bigger one. But anyways, what you do is like how when I'm vlogging and stuff, this right here, you reflect the light off. You get it to hang somewhere where your lighting is coming in. See how you can see the golden on my face and watch it turn. It's going to turn. See how I went to silver? They use these a lot when you're taking professional pictures. But I notice a lot of YouTubers, like when you get up there YouTubing, this is what you need, baby. Have that smooth look, you know, that gloss, that glare, that clean. Oh yeah, this is the last item. This is the, oh, we have two more. Alright, so this, yeah. Alright, so I did my due diligence, and if you see my other video, you'll see that I did a haul where I bought some shoes for the first time. Well, I enjoyed these so much to where I bought a second pair. They are so freaking comfy. But y'all, I ordered a 8-9. Damn. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Oof. They feel like clouds. I ain't gonna lie. I'll rep that to the end. They feel like some doggone clouds. This is a 40 and 41, so it's a 7-8. So this is perfect. Let me check. Okay. And so, let me show y'all the inside if you haven't seen it before. It's like cushiony. And I promise when you walk on it, it's soft. But yeah, I got the doggone 8 and 9. So that was like, when you order shoes off of Temu, be careful how you order certain stuff. Because you know it can come in Asian size. So they came in at 8 and 9 and they were big. So I gave them away with the other stuff that I bought from Temu that I couldn't use. I always give it away. And my homegirl was like, yeah, I needed me some winter shoes. They had the black. She had the black ones, but I had to end up getting these because the other ones were sold out. But these were free. This is what I chose for free. Because if you know about the free stuff, you know it's a limited amount of things. And I like how they bag up the shoes. Because when my days of ordering from Shein, they never bagged them up. They just put everything was all in a bag. Alright, looks like I have two other things. Oh yeah, I forgot I got something. Alright, so we have this right here. Hey, I'd rather hear him laugh than cry. But yeah. So this right here is something. It's a little gift for someone. Because she's been doing so good. Oh, it's tangled. Y'all, it'll take forever for me to tangle it. So, I'll have to do. I thought it would be cute to buy her something. And I have the little boxes and stuff to put it in. So, I'm going to wrap it up. And, yeah. She loves Hello Kitty. Because I just bought. If y'all saw my video, I bought most of that stuff. It was for other people. Yeah, but yeah, I'll do this later when y'all aren't here. So check it out. One more other thing. I bought this because when I picked that one out, I knew that I could not carry it in my pocketbook. So this is something I'm gonna have to carry in my pocketbook. I need to have me a size to put in my pocketbook. So yeah, their packaging has really leveled up. Like, that's pretty cool. Oh, these are so cute. Alright, so these are pocketbook sizes, and it looks like, yeah, it's seven pieces. So yeah, this is just cute and compatible for on the go. And I always sanitize everything first before. Let me get this bag off the, yeah, I don't normally do that. But yeah. This was a small haul, but it was a good one. If you appreciate the videos, just know I appreciate you. I'm glad you took the time to stop by. Come check out Shot over here, okay? And thank you so much if you hit the like button. Thank you so much for everything that you do, okay? I'm only doing this for y'all. If y'all have anything that you would like or could recommend me, let me know, okay? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look at my other videos. And like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share, 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 share. But most of all, I need you please to subscribe. Y'all are watching it, but I need you to subscribe. I got a couple of subscribers, and I'm happy, okay? I'm going to be happy with whatever I get, okay? Let's make it happen. Any suggestions you have, make sure you leave it down in the comment section. And so we'll be able to chat it up. So please make sure, okay? Make sure. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Let me know how you like the video. Deuces.